In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play eFootball with your friends on cross-platform. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is first make sure you have the latest version of eFootball installed, and in the main menu, select Match under the Dream Team option as I've highlighted over here. When you go into the Dream Team Match category, you will be able to select to create a friend match. As you can see, create a match room and play online matches. You will then have two options, create match room or search match room. One of you has to create the room. When you click that option, you can set a password if you wish, and after that is done, you will be able to configure the match room. You will be able to see your gameplay and change settings related to the match room and the match itself. Now, copy the match room number by clicking the button I've highlighted on the middle of your screen and share that number with your friend. What your friend has to do now is go back to the menu and then select Search for a match room. They will get a prompt where they can input this match room number that you gave to them. You will then be able to see their icon and username pop up on the match room, and then you can click to match in order to start your friend match with them right away. I hope I was able to help you on how to play eFootball with your friends cross-platform. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.